Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Citymapper app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Citymapper application. You can see over here Citymapper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for start. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to allow the location. Tap on the option continue that you can see on the screen. Now allow Citymapper to access the device's location. Simply tap on the option while using the app. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your interface, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for account. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for login over here. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to sign up or log in. If you already have the account, you'll be logged into your account. But if you want to create the account, you'll be prompted to create the account for yourself. What you have to do is enter your email address, or you can also continue with Facebook or Google over here. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So after you enter your email address, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you'll have to check your email. So simply tap on this option, open email app. Now Gmail will be opened. Citymapper will send you the email. Simply tap on that email. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the option for login to Citymapper over here. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll securely be logged in. Tap on the option continue. Now you can see over here, your account will easily be created and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign up Citymapper account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.